Find out acidic strength order given following compounds. Here three compounds are there. That is, first one is formic acid, second one is acetic acid, third one is benzoic acid. Out of these three, which one is more acidic nature? So I will give some important acidic strength order, student. That is, first one is benzene sulfonic acid, second compound is formic acid. Benzene sulfonic is greater than that of formic acid. Formic acid is greater than that of benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is greater than that of acetic acid, CH3COOH. Acetic acid is greater than that of carbonic acid, H2CO3. Carbonic acid is greater than that of phenol. Phenol is greater than that of water. Water is greater than that of alcohols. Alcohol is greater than that of alkynes, means that is acetylene. Acetylene is greater than that of ammonia. Ammonia is greater than that of alkenes, CH2 double bond CH2. After that alkanes, CH4. So these are the important orders. You remember, this is the order. First priority goes to, simple trick, that is, first priority goes to benzene sulfonic acid. Then after that formic acid. First strong acid is benzene sulfonic acid. So out of these three, which one is more acidic? Here formic acid is there, acetic acid is there, and benzoic acid is there. Out of these three, which one is more acidic nature? Out of these three, which one is more acidic nature? Here first one formic acid is there. So first, what is the, follow this order. First place goes to formic acid. Now second place goes to, here after formic acid, then benzoic acid. This is the second place, and third place goes to acetic acid. So what is the acidic strength order here? Formic acid. Formic acid is greater than, HCOH is greater than benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is greater than acetic acid. This is the order, student. This is the order. Acidic strength order is, this is the acidic strength order. So what is the reason? I will give explanation, student. First one, now take the formic acid and acetic acid, HCOOH and CH3COOH. Out of these two, which one is more acidic? You remember, student, these both are having COH group. This is also COH group, both are equal. This COH group backside is hydrogen is there. What is the role of hydrogen? This is the weak plus I. That this is, what is the role of hydrogen? That is weak plus I or weak minus I. So that is neutral. You remember, there is no effect of hydrogen. But here in second compound, the COH group beside CH3 group is there. What is the role of CH3? This role of CH3, that is plus I effect. The CH3 belongs to plus I effect. What is the role of plus I group? That is, this plus I group means electron releasing group. This electron releasing group means here oxygen. This oxygen having negative charge, this hydrogen having positive charge, and here also oxygen having negative charge, here also positive charge. These both are equal charges. But here in CH3 group, what is the role of CH3 group? Electron releasing group. So that's why, due to the electron releasing group, so here negative charge increases on oxygen. Negative charge increases on oxygen. Negative in B compound, in acetic acid, negative charge increases on oxygen. That means density increases on oxygen. So that's why H plus cannot easily breaking. H plus cannot easily breaking in this B compound, easily cannot donate the proton. But in formic acid, here normal attraction is there, minus plus is there, easily donating the proton. Negative charge and positive charge here both are equal in formic acid, but in acetic acid, negative charge is more dominating due to the presence of plus I. What about this negative density? Due to the plus I group, this CH3 group is electron releasing, so that's why density increases on oxygen. So that's why H plus cannot break easily. That is the reason, student. H plus cannot break easily. So that's why A compound is more acidic than B compound. Formic acid is more acidic than acetic acid due to the, this is less density on oxygen. So that is the reason. But B compound, acetic acid, having more density on oxygen, that is the reason. So more density on oxygen, so that's why weak acid. So once again, students, there one condition also there, negative charge should be less on oxygen. Negative charge should be less on oxygen. That compound is always acidic nature. Negative charge should be less on oxygen. That compound is always more acidic nature. So out of these three explanation, correct, students, that is A compound, formic acid is more acidic than acetic acid. And what about that second condition, that is out of these two, HCOOH, formic acid and benzoic acid. What is the reason? Out of these three, which one is more acidic? Acidic acid, and what I said, that is acidic acid is more acidic than benzoic acid. So A compound, this is the B compound. A compound is more acidic than B compound. What is the reason? So here also oxygen having negative charge, this hydrogen having positive charge. Here also oxygen having negative charge, here also positive charge. What happened here? We can write HCO O minus H plus. This formic acid donated the proton, so we get HCO4 minus. We can write a resonance structure in this compound. This oxygen, this bond shifting towards here. So what happened, that is HC oxygen getting negative charge, this carbon getting positive charge, this already all negative charge is there. And next step, what happened here? This plus minus making a bond. So what happened, that is HCO minus and double bond O. This is the final product, that is resonating structure. These two are the resonating structure. But in B compound having same, what happened in this B compound here, donating the proton is benzoic acid. So what happened? Bond breaking in between O minus and H plus. We can write the structure HCO O minus. Then after this bond, this minus H plus, this benzoic acid bond breaking in between oxygen and hydrogen. So here oxygen getting negative charge and hydrogen getting positive charge. We can write resonating structure in this compound. This bond shifting towards here. This oxygen getting negative charge and this carbon getting positive charge, and this oxygen already negative charge is there. This oxygen already negative charge is there. Here this carbon having positive charge, this positive charge participating in the resonance. This positive charge participating in the resonance due to the conjugation is there, double bond, then single bond, then double bond, then single bond, then double bond, then single bond, then positive. The positive charge participating in the resonance. So that's why here more attractive forces here. That's why here more attractive here. This carbon having two oxygen, the carbon connected with two oxygen, these two oxygen having negative charge is there. So here negative charge is more domination on oxygens. Negative charge is more domination in benzene. Negative charge is more domination in benzene. So that's why H plus ions are not easy to break. This H plus cannot break easily. So that is the reason, student. So here in formic acid only one negative charge is there, but in benzoic acid here two oxygens are there. These two oxygens having negative charges, these negative charges more dominating. So that's why H plus cannot break easily. So here these negative charge is attracting the H plus. These both negative charge are there, the negative charge is more dominating. So that's why H plus ion is attracting towards benzene side. So that is the reason, student. So formic acid is more acidic than benzoic acid. So here out of these three, which one is more acidic nature? That is formic acid is greater than that of benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is greater than that of acetic acid. This is a simple trick, students. Or this explanation, if in case no need the explanation, for you remember this order also. If you remember this order, you will get the easily find out the answer. So this is a simple trick, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.